We already talked to this guy, right? Or is this fresh?
No, we already talked to him. He turned us down yesterday.
Let me ask you this. If the money was perfect, if you were like, oh my gosh, I can't believe they're giving me this for my car, and if I had something here that worked, would you find time to make it out today if the money was unbelievable?
Sure.
All right. All right, he didn't answer. What do I do?
Hold on.
All right, tell me. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Hello.
Hi, Gabriel. Hey, Gabriel. Thank you for taking my call. It's Kyle from the dealership.
Oh, okay.
Good. I'm really good. I'm glad I got you. You still have that GMC?
Possibly.
I want to buy it.
Well, you might want to wait because I just sent it to the shop. It had a novice sensor come on and it lost power, so I just sent it to the shop today, and I should be here back Monday or Tuesday.
Oh, man. Okay. Well, thank you for being so upfront with everything. And, we have a nice shop here, too. We do domestics here. And, we buy it even with the knock because we can repair it as well.
Gotcha. Well, it's already up there now, so you want to give me a call back early next week?
Yeah, totally. And what are you planning on replacing that with?
Something. I don't have anything particular in mind, really.
This is the Toyota dealership. We got a bunch of vehicles like that are, pre-loved. And then I got a ton of inventory out here, too. Would you be available this weekend to come out and take a look at some vehicles?
Probably not this weekend. I'm real busy this weekend, especially with the truck we had in the shop. So.
Sure. Need a car, figure something out. We could always, I know this sounds weird, and you probably don't need it, but it's just nice. We send Ubers to people all the time. I'm not allowed to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want me, I'll send you an Uber over. You come look. If you like something, great. If not, we'll send you an Uber home.
No, I definitely, before I get to say definitely have to get rid of the truck first. There ain't no way I can afford having two things at once or anything like that.
I will buy it as is, and we'll give you a number with it fixed, and then we'll give you a number with it fully repaired. So you're talking to the right place. That's why we're the number one dealer, because we do this crazy stuff all the time. And I need your G, so I want it.
Gotcha.
Let me ask you this. If the money was perfect, if you were like, oh my gosh, I can't believe they're giving me this for my car, and if I had something here that worked, would you find time to make it out today if the money was unbelievable?
Oh, yeah, sure.
All right. Let's do this then. Why don't you just come out and take a look? We'll make it unbelievable.
Well, I don't know if you can because
I can. I give my word as a car salesman.
well, I tell you, I owe on that truck. I owe.
Don't just bring it anyone to call back and work it.
Bring it up.
No, all right. No, and we've been in situations a lot, especially with COVID and all the stuff that happens. Worst case, you'll come down, you'll know exactly what your vehicle's worth, and then you'll at least have something. You're going to get the most money here. So you might as well come here, see the entire situation, because no one's going to work harder to get you top for yours than a payment that works good for ours. So anyone can do it, it's going to be us.
I got you. And man, I got like all day. What?
We're here until 8 o'clock. Yeah.
All right. Now the truck is, regardless, I definitely can't bring the truck. I can send some pictures or something, but
No, it's all right. Just bring them with you, and then we'll get on the computer and we'll look at pictures of your truck. We'll get on the computer together and we'll look at numbers. I mean, we got a good idea of what it is. Then we'll find the new one, and then we'll put the whole deal in front of you.
gotcha.
Yeah, just bring the pictures with you.
All right, and what's your name again?
Kyle. Loyalty Toyota. And I'll text you the address and all that stuff. Do you want me to send you Uber, or do you have a ride?
No, I would have a ride. I just got to make sure I got time. I need like an hour. Wait for somebody to get home here. I got to figure out something, and then I'll be able to text you and let you know what I can do.
Sweet. Why don't we tentatively set up for about 1 o'clock then? Or are you working now, or you're off today?
No, I'm off today. I've just got some other stuff I got to run around.
All right. Why don't we set up a tentative time, then I can kind of halfway make sure I'm available, and then just text me and let me know around what time you think you may be able to make it in.
All right, sounds good. I would say maybe 2.
2 o'clock. Excellent. I'm going to text you right now, and then you'll have my contact information, all that stuff. You need to come early, late, or whatever. Just let me know. We'll look forward to seeing you at 2 o'clock. If anyone can do something, it's going to be us.
All right, sounds good.
Yes, sir. See you at 2 o'clock, or text me and let me know. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
All right,
Appreciate it.
Can I set that?
That was pretty good. Yo! That was fire.
We already talked to this guy, right? Or is this fresh?
No, we already talked to him. He turned us down yesterday.
So you just got to be smart enough to be.
Stupid.
Do we want to buy his GMC?
Yeah.
We need vehicles right now, right? If anyone can do it, who's crazy enough to do it?
Yes.
All we're selling on the phone is a what?
Appointment.
Cool. Yeah.